Mom is done with me.
일리 와봐.
Good morning. Good day. We are on Nebet Tepe. Here we are. Nebet Tepe. I'll put narration on this part. It's too windy. Oh my god, look at this.
Това е едното, другото е всякъде в шире. Някой си изпуснал чадора.
I read that during Roman times, this reservoir supplied water to the entire city. And this was apparently a hidden passage that ran beneath the fortress wall. So Plovdiv is known as the city of seven hills, and right now we're standing on one of the oldest one of them, Nebet Tepe.
Това Сахат, Младежкия, and you can basically see the whole city from here. And the last one has been destroyed.
Не съм сигурна дали е част от стария град или не.
Hello, it's 9 p.m. almost 8:20, and my mom and I decided to go on a hike for digestion. We're passing by this street where I used to spend a lot of my time with my friends in the neighborhood almost all the time, all year round when I was in high school. All the memories are coming back. The school is still the same, but like the area has changed a lot. Nostalgic in a way. Let me bring you to one of the hills in Plovdiv. It's called Bunardzhika. First spot. This is somewhere we used to come a lot. It's like off the hike trail. We would like just sit around here or there, and we would just watch the city and kill time because we were like teenagers. What else can you do? So this, for example, where you see the mall, this used to be a hill. It was called Tepe, and they like destroyed it so they can get the stone and make pavement like this. Mom. Tawi, mommy. Tawi. This is one of the sad things. Here it says that this water fountain was renovated in 1937. However, it's not working. Why? I ask, why? I have photos here on this tree. I'll try to find them. Halfway there. It's not too long of a hike and not too hard, so it's a nice stroll after dinner. Виж небето на там, колко е яко. And this is the view that we came for. Look at this. The sunsets here are just crazy. Also, this is the place that we come after prom. Like after prom night, we would like party all night long. And we would come here to wait for the sunrise on the other side, of course. And I have some quite nice photos. I'll try to plug them in as well. Mom is done with me. Как си кози? Си в кадър ли?
Не съм. Точно бягам от кадъра.
Няма как да избягам.
Официалното сега. Първата сграда, втората и ето там третата. Ето там си родена, на втория етаж.
Mom says this is where I was born. This is still the hospital right now. Right there. Right there. Yeah. Come to Bulgaria. Come to Plovdiv.
또 만나요.